I feel like I didn't have a choice. I'm here at American Place Casino, Waukegan, Illinois, and I walked by, saw Magic Pearl, Lightning Cash, and what do I see? A major that's really high, 9,003, 32.66. The grand is also higher than the other two machines, but it's on the end, so maybe that's why people play it. I don't know. So volume, verify it's maxed. $1,000 in the machine. $75 bets. We need flipper. 3 of flipper. 3 to 5. 6 or more pearls will get us to the bonus round. The beautiful red-headed mermaid is wild. Want to see a lot of her swimming in the water. It was almost $3,000 there between the 3 pearls. $125 for 2 spins. We'll get this one. I'm pretty much guaranteeing it. Make the sound. Come on. In for $2,000. $50 a spin. Do the reasonable bet. So this is different than Dragon Link, Dragon Cash. You only are going to see 100x from your bet amount to the size of a number on the pearl. And if you guys are really nice to me, I'll play the game behind me and do a session too. Puff and more puff. Minor. That's a nice minor at $1. It's $5,000 by itself. 3 and 2. Just teasing me right now. I just want to hear the major smack. Just to say we did it. You flip those 2 around, we would have 5 of a kind. Oh, we're in it. Here we go. Lightning Link, Magic Pearl, $75 bet. $500 left in the machine. Here we go. 6 free spins. Pearl, nothing. The pearl went by. It's going to come back. Nothing. Pearl, 9s. 5 of a kind. That's okay. I think you know what I'm thinking. Exactly what I was thinking. $555. Take the ammo. But you need to do better next time, Miss Magic Pearl. More of the $75 spins. I'll move it around a little bit. $125. They were flashing on reel 5. Oh, those are big. We should get it. We're gonna go in for another 1,000 right now. Right now, exactly. Just to see if there's anything in here. 4 spins at $250. Three. Oh, that was our chance. 4 of a kind. I don't think we're gonna get it. We got it, so that's good. Can you do it on a lucky chance spin? You can't, but you give us $50 back. Now there's no way. All right, another 1,000 in here. In for 4. Two of the flippers. 2. 4 of a kind gets us our money back. Stacks of pearls. No more at that. 50-cent denomination, 125. What's up, buddy? How are you? In for another one. Getting expensive here. Do some $62.50 bets. 50 cents. The mini's 500. The minor's 2,500. This one's getting expensive here. We're gonna need to get a real big one. There's 4 of them again. 25-cent. 62.50. And for those of you that do not know, it's not Lightning Link here, it's Lightning Cash. These machines are not linked together. They have all independent majors and grands, not linked together. I'll try one more, and then I'm gonna run. $75 a spin. That is not a hand pay. 1,098. Very surprised. I thought it was going to be, but nothing went 5 of a kind. There's 2 flipper. Two flipper. Miners, 5 grand again shows up. Are we at the point where we're feeding the major? Four spins at 250. Got a little one there. All right, so I've got to get paid on that. So we're just going to move over to this Magic Pearl. It's right next door. It has a little bit smaller major, but it's not showing up anyway, so it's a big deal. Little one there. Yeah.
This one,
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go to 25-cent denom. You see the major here is 6,854. The grand's 55,842. 62.50 a spin. Screen's a little bit more clear. The sound's a little better on this one. Does it matter? No.
Jackson?
No, thank you. What are those? Max bet here. 125 a spin. In it. All right, so we're max bet. American Place Casino. $125 a spin on Magic Pearl. Flipper, don't let me down. Poop out some of those Magic Pearls. Is that how it all works together, or does she do it? I don't know. Okay, don't get mad at me for saying that. Oh, it was a big coin. That was 2,500. There's a $5,000 one. Do it. Halfway through, we got absolutely nothing. That's good. We got $125 plus 3 more spins. We have 5 spins remaining. Nice, nice, nice. All right, that's good. Those are quarters. Was that $1,875? The mini's $250. The minor would be $1,250. We got to get a smack in here. It's going to be left. Nothing. That's it. So that's a Okay, don't be done now. We got 4 spins remaining. Give us the pretty lady all the way across. 8. I feel like it's a round number and that's all it wants to give us. I was right. That's it. It's going to show right here. $2,250 on that $125 max bet. So we came back a little bit. They could have been a lot bigger, but I'm going to call the session. We got $17.90. Got some money in there. Got a little something. All right, that's it. I do appreciate you guys watching. Get out here to Waukegan, American Place Casino. Claim your $500 if you lose it on the first trip and free play on your next 2. I think they still have it going on. Get out here, check it out. Say Mr. Hand Pay sent me. Just kidding. I have to take another spin or I get in trouble. Don't make me do these big spins. Oh, wait. Oh. Those are big spins, a little return. Flipper's flashing by. Let's do some max bet. We'll do $37.50, $62.50. Flipper. Here's the max bet at 50 cents. We're in it. Good. Good job. All right. So $1,000 to start this max bet bonus. American Place Casino. Waukegan, Illinois. These are all little ones. There's a 500. All right, one more here. And we're done. That's it. No more. But we got a hand pay. Little one, $2,000 on that $125 max bet. Here's the bell. All right, we're gonna move it over. Take my card out and go over here. Oh, I got another one. No, we're good. Yeah, thank you.
Please try again. Thank you. Please try again.
It's it. Just for fun. See if there's anything left in this one. $62.50. There's 3 of them. Come on, Flipper. $75 a spin. The mini was $1,000. We're at $1. The blue miner again is gonna hopefully show up. Come on, Flipper. $125. Oh wait, is this the one I need to do $250 a spin? 12,500 shows up. Nothing, honey. So we hit the big one earlier on quarters, right? Let's go 50-cent denomination. 125 a spin. Minis 500. 2 flippers. Major by itself. All right, that's a good sign, right? Doesn't matter. $62.50. 2 flippers. I think the bet is a quarter. Lots of quarters. $25. $62.50. Here's the big bets.
We had 04 for 2,000 both there. Oh, I did.
It's supposed to be 2,000.
Oh, it was supposed to be 2,000. Come on, they never changed that.
Oh, that's 5. I thought we were in it. Come on. I get so excited.
Because in our handbook it says over 2,000.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They were supposed to change that.
All right, 4 of a kind there. Let's do some of the big bets, and then we're going to move over and take backup spin on the one that we just hit. Oh, one more. Just make the sound.
Yeah, I just got it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right.
But yeah, I was trying to.
It quit on me. Let's go here.
Welcome.
No back-to-back here. I'm going to switch because we got a hand pay here at 125. Let's go back to the 250 spins. $125 at a buck. Nothing. Garbage. No more.